In this video, I will show you why sending a simple follow-up email can make or break your chances of landing the job and why skipping this step could be a huge mistake. Stick around to learn how you can write one in 6 easy steps plus some extra tips. Let's get started. First things first, what is a follow-up email? Well, as the name suggests, a follow-up email after an interview is a brief email you send to your interviewer after your meeting to thank them for their time and to remind them of what a great candidate you were. Now, why can sending or not sending one make or break your chances? Well, a top resume survey found that 68% of hiring managers agree on the importance of sending a follow-up email. And 1 in 5 interviewers actually admit to ruling out a job candidate because they didn't receive a thank you email after the interview.
You shall not pass!
So as you can see, a follow-up might seem small, but it can make a huge difference. And if you're still not fully convinced, here are some more reasons why you should always send a follow-up email after interview. First, it's a way to thank the interviewers for their time. It's a basic courtesy and you can never go wrong with that. Then, it gives you a chance to express that you're still interested and enthusiastic about the role. It's like saying, hey, I'm serious about this job. It's also a subtle reminder of why you are the one for the position and that you're willing to go the extra mile. And it's the perfect opportunity to ask any remaining questions or clarify anything that came up during the interview. If you forgot to ask something or want to elaborate on a point, now is the time. Lastly, it keeps you fresh in the recruiter's mind. After a full day of interviews, recruiters might start mixing up the candidates. A quick follow-up email helps you stay top of mind and stand out from the crowd. By now, you are hopefully convinced that sending a brief follow-up email isn't a thing of the corporate past. Now, let's get down to business. Here is how to write a follow-up email in 6 steps. Start with a simple subject line. The hiring manager should know what the email is about as soon as it lands in their inbox. A straightforward thank you, your name, or follow up on position name interview works well. Next, continue with a personalized greeting such as Dear Mrs. or Mr. Green and say how you enjoyed speaking to them. Personalizing your email shows respect and professionalism. After the greeting, show your gratitude for their time and consideration. This sets a positive tone and demonstrates how much you value the opportunity. It could be something like this. It's short and sweet and refreshes the recruiter's memory. Now, it's time to remind them that you're still very much interested in the role. Share your excitement about the position and if possible, mention something specific you learned during the interview. Something simple like this does just that, but feel free to mention a couple more details about anything interesting you talked about with the interviewer. Now, if needed, address any confusion or ask questions you forgot to mention earlier. This is the perfect moment to clarify anything that might have been left out. For example, this works because A, you ask a specific question and B, you let them know they can ask you any questions if they need to. Finally, close with a professional sign-off and include your contact details, leaving the door open for further communication. Just like so. But you can also go with looking forward to your decision or using sincerely instead of best regards. Most importantly, don't forget your contact details. Now, let's put it all together. I will show you a short but effective follow-up email example that follows these 6 steps. Feel free to stop the video, screenshot it, and use this template for your next follow-up email. It starts with a catchy subject line and a polite greeting, showing genuine interest in the position. It highlights how your skills can benefit the team and mentions specific areas you can contribute based on what you discussed during the interview. And finally, it leaves room for further conversation, making it easy for the recipient to respond. As you can see, crafting a follow-up email isn't rocket science, but you get a lot of worth for how little time and effort it takes to write one. And before you go, I have some extra tips to share with you to make your email even sharper. Tip 1. Send a personalized email to each interviewer. If you spoke with multiple people, tailor each message based on your conversation. For example, if someone discussed team dynamics, mention that in your follow-up. Number 2. Timing is key. Send your follow-up email within 24 hours after the interview. This keeps you fresh in their minds and show your promptness. And finally, don't push for an immediate answer. Of course, you can't wait to hear back, but pushing and demanding for a quick response is not going to get you anywhere. Instead, just express your appreciation and enthusiasm about the job. And there you have it. With these steps and tips, you will be able to craft the perfect follow-up email that leaves a lasting impression. Thanks for watching and good luck with your interviews. Don't forget to like the video and comment below to share your thoughts. See you in the next video.